What's up, guys? Today is Friday, the very best day of the week, because today is Snap on Friday. There's Hamilton, so let's go take a look, see what he's got today. You guys, come on. Whole set of cabinet screwdrivers. Socks everywhere. Socks and coats. I was telling Hamilton about that extractor the other day, what we did to it.
Oh yeah.
And it didn't break.
He talking about y'all torturing the little joker.
Man, that thing had some torque on it and it
Jammed
didn't
it
break.
off in there. Hey, I don't see how it didn't break. Candy boy. They're all kinds. I'm scared the candy bars coming off the snap-on truck. They're free. Gun you. That's worse.
This must be a treat.
Now, JJ's son was selling them. They give me a side story. Ain't nobody wanting to buy none, so I bought the whole box from them so we didn't have to mess with them.
I'll get
They've
one
been giving them
later.
out there, buddy. Huh?
I get one later. I ain't too big on candy. Bill's
Now
the
about
candy
7
man.
of them.
Bill eats more candy than I do. I'll try to quit
Since
candy.
Bought all his candy. JJ said he didn't have to, so now he's like to help me out sometimes. My kid's selling something.
Tell him your kid sells snap-on tools.
I'll tell next week.
Yeah. So my kid selling
My
snap-on
kid's selling
tools.
socket sets for fundraiser. Which
That's
one
it.
of these you want?
Which one you need?
I got every one of them on the truck right here, right now. I'll even do you one favor, we'll just tag it on your account.
Well, everybody's all butthurt about me
Oh my
releasing the
gosh.
video.
On the toe boxes
Yeah.
and stuff. They get
That's all
over it
butthurt.
or cry about it. I thought it was pretty funny myself.
If I don't hurt your feelings, I don't guess nobody else should care, should they?
I got paid, so.
Hey, I'm content with what I got.
I am too.
I would like to have a sliding roll cart, but it is
Yeah.
what it
Yes, this-
Everybody's all butthurt.
Yeah.
So as
No.
long as you ain't mad, I don't guess it matters.
No.
is. It don't matter.
Nobody else can get mad.
You know, it don't matter if you're talking about Harbor Freight tools, if you're talking about Snap-on, and it don't matter if you're talking good, if you're talking bad about them. Somebody is going to fuss. They were going to look for a reason to fuss. That's all they're going to do is sit there at their computer in their mama's basement, playing on the computer, looking and just trying to troll somebody. That's all it is.
Hey, I
Trolling, man.
appreciate if you didn't tell everybody I was still with my mom, alright?
Hey, it is what it is, man. Somebody will get offended, but I don't care.
You done got this truck rattling. Talking like you.
That's not how you really feel about that, Bill.
I don't care. I don't watch either one, and I don't troll nobody, and I sure don't live with my mom and daddy.
Mm-mm-mm.
Yeah, I thought it was pretty funny.
now.
Wally's thinking of something. He's about to jump on this.
Wally's like, hell, they ain't picking on me. I'm happy. I'm happy.
Hey,
Shut up.
no,
Pay attention to that.
My gosh, we can pick on you. I can get you candy bar, boy.
That ain't yours.
Yep.
The man gave it to me, alright?
Man gave it to me. Sure enough. We ain't picking on you. You happy, ain't you, Wally?
Yeah. So what did you find missing in my toolbox this morning?
I ain't made it over there yet.
Yeah,
We'll
made it
get
over
there for days
Oh,
over.
Lord. Oh.
So when you gonna get the brutes in?
They say in January for our area, I believe.
Man, that sucks.
Yeah.
I'm
Same where some
trying
folks have
to-
already got some, I think over on the West Coast. So,
I got a buddy of mine that's in Wisconsin. There, he got one, and it's pretty bad.
he like it pretty good.
He ain't get to play with it. He's a snap-on dealer.
Oh, okay.
It's pretty bad.
Yeah.
Look at there. That's the 1/4 inch, like the 3/8.
7.
Yeah.
You got the long one like that too? Or,
Yeah.
Or longer.
Did you ever find them flexible shaft ones like these? You know, that's flexible.
Like what I got.
Did you ever order anything?
Would you want one just the shaft, or you want one with the handle on it too?
Yeah, I want the handle with the
Flex.
flex.
I get you one on one. How long one you want?
One like that right there, about that length will be fine. What in the Wally's comes in handy on them back coil packs.
Yeah, imagine so on them.
Nice. Hey, what size was that? Do you remember? Was it a 15/16?
Yes.
3/8 drive.
Yeah, 3/8 drive did well.
Yeah, I'll leave back in the drawer.
Or 24 mil either or. 13. See if there's a 24.
Right here.
Yeah, that's half inch drive there.
Mm.
You got that one.
You may have to order that too. You may have to order that one too. Shia told me at lunch I need to get some new socks. You think you'd mash your finger with that?
Wally would probably be the first one to mash his finger or something like that.
Just my luck here is lately.
Yeah.
Wally wouldn't want to hold his tongue in there and see if it pinks his tongue really.
We'd have to,
Heck, far.
have to call him a ambulance.
Hey, you got any more of them covers for those CT 761s?
The boots.
Yeah. If you do, I need one of them. There's the snap-on grease gun, if you guys ain't seen that. 18 volt. Everybody always talks about the Milwaukee. That's the first snap-on I've seen. Does that one have the settings where you can dial it down? And
Or you got low and high. So the stuff you have on it. Right here.
That's pretty nice.
Yep. Pretty handy. This is mine right here. About to let a guy use it, and we went ahead and ordered him one. He liked it pretty good.
I know that little old grinder that Wally bought. I don't remember what horsepower that was. You know, it's got the handle that comes out on it.
Yeah.
That's a
I
bad
think you got
dude
the
right
one
there.
horsepower one. The big one.
That gun is bad. I'm gonna get one of them eventually because, man, we cut some stuff that thing. It don't bog down, you know. So
His have the half shield or full shield on it, or
I don't even remember. We just used it yesterday, but I don't remember. I think it's half.
Yeah.
But man, that thing is strong. Golly, that thing's strong.
I don't even remember what size rock that one takes.
It's probably a 4-inch or something. It looked like
Was it 4 or 5.5?
it may have been nah, it's about the same size as mine. I'm gonna say it's a 4.
4.
I know that sun's stout. It don't bog down. Sure don't. All right, guys. Well, we're gonna get back in there. We had somebody pull up, so I'm gonna get back to work. But check the links down in the video description for cool tools and discount codes and all that good stuff. And if you like the video, be sure to hit the thumbs up and click that subscribe button. What we got to do now, Wally?
We gotta get back to work.
Bad.
Well, yeah.